Hello, my name is Dave. I'm here to talk about my revised cover letter and resume for the job application. This is the job here that I'm applying for, this information technology manager. Currently a manager right now in IT department, so I feel like this would be a good job to transition into. A lot of the skills that it's asking for, the responsibilities, are some of the stuff that I'm already doing with my current job. It is asking for a bachelor's degree, which I don't have currently, working on towards, so I'm hoping that my skills will outweigh that part of the application. So here is the cover letter. I've made some changes. I used to have my name, address, and email address and phone number, so I changed it to look more like the one example in our book. And then we have the address for the property management company that I'm applying to. And then there wasn't a person listed on who to apply to, so it's just to whom it may concern here. So in the first paragraph, I just wrote about my experience, 4 or 5 years experience, interested in the position. I believe that my experience and knowledge will be a good fit for the position at the company. Second paragraph, I just talked about my education at Wayne State, how my courses and how my current job let me apply the skills that I've learned towards the job. And then it talks about a couple of the projects and stuff that I was lead on that we implemented at my current position. And then just finish up by saying I'd like to talk to, there's a typo there. Make a real correction there. All right. And then, or by email. So I'm going to have to resubmit that. All right. And then I've also let them know that I enclosed my resume in the job application. Going on to the resume. Start off with name and address information. I used a Times New Roman to start off with, and then followed it up with the Calibri, and then separated it by each section with a line. The school's information, the name of the school I italicized to make it a little more presentable, and then also I used the tables in this technology summary, as long as the skills summary, to better separate a more readable format. Same here with employment, separated by the line, times New Roman for the current job where I'm at, the positions that I've held there, and the years in which those positions were held, and kind of just a brief summary on what took place in those jobs. Like I said, his current position as manager, I have a team of 4 that support the 80 users that we have throughout the company at our 4 locations. And then moving on, just past year's experience, kind of same thing, different font, the bigger font for the company, the italicized for the jobs and the company to separate it from the description of what was done at those positions. And that's about all I got right now. Just the use of tables in each position. So I'd use the three row, 1 column table for each employment section. And then in this, with the technology summary, I used a 1 row, 3 column table to separate that. And thank you, and that's all I have.